Hello children, good afternoon everybody. Hope everybody are safe at home. Today we are going to discuss about 9th class 2nd December assignment number 20 and 21 children. If you see the model of this question paper, 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions and 5 mark questions consisting 3 Romans children. So you please come and join with me for the explanation of 9th class 20th and 21st assignment, second dated assignment children. Okay. So first one of the first Roman, Yamini and Fatima of class 9th together contributed 200 rupees towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund. So then the linear equation form for the situation is Yamini and Fatima contributed 200 rupees together. Okay children, so let the amount given by Yamini is rupees X and Fatima rupees Y, then the total amount together contributed for PM Relief Fund is rupees 200. So Yamini's amount plus Fatima's amount is equal to together 200. Okay children, together 200. So what is the linear equation here? X plus y is equal to 200. Okay, the x plus y is equal to 200. This is the for first question. So our next question from the first Roman. Second one, the sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digits is 121. So what the given, if the digits in units place and tens place are x and y respectively, so this is original number, this is the number formed after its digits interchanged. So this is a reversed number. So here what is the unit digit and what is the tens digit? According to the question, see, unit digits and tens place are x and y respectively. Unit digit is x, tens place is y. Then here what is unit digit? Here what is tens digit? For example, if 73 is reversed, what is the number? 37. That means unit digits goes to tens digit goes to unit digit. So unit digit goes to tens digit goes to unit digit. Now what is the original number? When the x is in units place, so x is multiplying with 1 and y is in tens place, so y is multiplying with 10. That means 10y plus x. So what is the reverse number? So y is in units place, x is in tens place. So this is 10x plus y. So what the given? Sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits. That means given that original number plus reversed number, if when you add, it is 121. Some original number, sum of the original number and the number obtained by reversing its digits. So this is 10y plus x plus this is 10x plus y is equal to 121. So 10x plus x, 11x plus 11y is equal to 121. If you cancel with 11 table each and every term, then x plus y is equal to 11. This is the linear equation which satisfies the given condition. Okay children. So next question. Third one. If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to, if x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, okay, a solution for linear equation A, solution for, okay, 3x minus 2y is equal to k, okay, then what is the value of k? Then k value is dash. So put x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 in 3x minus 2y is equal to k. So 3 into 3 minus 2 into 2 is equal to k. So 9 minus 4 is equal to k. Therefore k is equal to 5. Okay children. So this is the value of k according to the given situation children. So next question. Is fourth one. Number of solutions for a linear equation in one variable. Number of solutions for a linear equation in one variable is, actually children, for example, if you take x is equal to 5, x means it is like an unknown number, it's like an empty box. Instead of x, instead of empty box, which number should replace to make LHS and RHS becomes equal? Such value of the variable is considered as solution for the given equation. Instead of x, if you take 5, you can make LHS and RHS are same. So you can call x is equal to 5 is one of the solution. Now children, you tell me, other than x is equal to 5, instead of 5, if you are substituting any real number other than 5, can we make LHS and RHS become same? No. So a linear equation in single variable has how many solutions we have? Only one solution. Only one solution. Okay children. So second Roman, question number 5. Check whether the given order of pairs solutions of an equation x plus 2y is equal to 4 or not. This is given equation x plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay. So first ordered pair 0, 2. So every time, every ordered pair, let us compare with x and y. On equating these, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. So check whether the given order of pairs are solutions of an equation or not. So substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2 in the equation. If LHS is equal to RHS, x equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So 4 is equal to 4. If LHS is equal to RHS, I said yes, it is one of the solution. Verify the second one also. 4 comma 0. Compare with normal form of a point. On equating abscissas, x is equal to 4 and ordinates y is equal to 0. Substitute this in the given equation. X value 4, y value 0. You can cancel out 0. 4 is equal to 4. Yes, LHS is equal to RHS. So when you are getting LHS is equal to RHS, you can write 0 comma 2 and 4 comma 0 are solutions for x plus 2y is equal to 4. So this is the verification of the given ordered pair or point is one of the solution for given equation of the straight line. Okay children? Right. Our next question. Question number 6. If 0 comma a and b comma 0 are the solutions of five x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. If 0 comma a and b comma 0 are the solutions of the following linear equations, find a comma b. Find a and b. Given that, before this question, how we verified? By substituting. If LHS equal to RHS, then we concluded that that is a solution for the given equation. It is declared that the given 2 points are solutions. That means after you substitute that given pairs of real numbers in the straight line, we will make LHS becomes RHS. Okay. Now, given that 0 comma a is a solution for 5x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Substitute these values here on comparing 0 comma a to x comma y. So x equal to 0, y equal to a. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to a. So this is cancelled. Minus when you transpose to right side plus 2a is equal to 3. So a is equal to 3 upon 2. This is the value of a. Similarly, if you see the second point, also given that b comma 0 is solution of for 5x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Then substitute in place of x b, in place of y 0. So 5b plus 3 is equal to 0. So 5b is equal to minus 3. When you transpose plus 3 to right side, minus 3. Then b is equal to minus 3 upon 5. This is the value of b. This is the value of b. Okay children. So this is for question number 6. So next question from second Roman, 7th question. What is question number 7 children? If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation is a solution of the equation Okay, 3x plus ay is equal to 6. Then what is the value of a? Find the value of a. Okay, so given that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 are solution, so put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in 3x plus ay is equal to 6. Yes, x is equal to 1, a into y is equal to 1. So 3 1 are 3 plus a times 2 1, 6. Then a is equal to transpose plus 3 to right side minus 3. So if you subtract 3 from 6, a is equal to 3. So what is the value of a? The value of a is equal to 3 is not for all cases, children. It is only the value of a is equal to 3, only one case, when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is solution for the given equation, not for all cases. Okay, children? So our next question, next Roman. Third Roman. If x is equal to 2 minus a, comma, y is equal to 2 plus a, is a solution of the equation three x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Then find the value of a, find two more solutions of the resultant equations. So first of all, put x is equal to 2 minus a, y is equal to 2 plus a in the equation. Three into 2 minus a minus 2 into 2 plus a plus 6 is equal to 0. So 3 times 2 a, 2 times 2 times 2a plus 6 is equal to 0. Now 6 plus 6, 12, 12 minus 4, 8, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5a is equal to 0. So 5a is equal to 8. From that, a is equal to 8 by 5. 8 upon 5. This is the value of a. Okay. So after you find the value of a, find two more solutions of the resultant equations. Okay. So suppose this is 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. How to get the solutions means every point which satisfies the equation. So for every x belongs to a real number, for every x be a real number, there will be a corresponding value y will be there. So if you take x is equal to, say for example 1, correspondingly y value will be there. So suppose if x is equal to 1, 3 times 2 1 3, 3 plus 6 9, so plus 9 minus 9, so minus 2y is equal to minus 9, minus minus cancel, y is equal to 9 by 2. Okay, and if x is equal to 3, 3 3 are 9, okay, 9 plus 6 15, minus 15, so minus 2y is equal to minus 15, minus minus getting cancelled, 15 by 2. Okay, say for example if x is equal to 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 6 12, minus 12, minus 2y is equal to minus 12, minus minus getting cancelled, y is equal to 12 by 2, 6. So here so far I found 3 solutions. You can find on your own infinitely many solutions. Okay, we can find infinitely many solutions. The answer need not to coincide. Of course, it must be coincide if you take x values as a consider. Okay, children. So this is the explanation for question number 8. So our next and last question from this Roman. Question number 9. Write 5 different linear equations in 2 variables. Write 5 different linear equations in 2 variables. Okay, and find one solution for each of them. Find one solution for each of them. Okay, children. So first of all, linear equations in 2 variables. Our wish, children. Say for example, x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. Right? See, for example, if you take x is equal to 2, then 2 plus what? You don't make the sum becomes 5, 3. So what is the solution? 2 comma 3. Like that, 1 comma 4. Like that, 0 comma 5. Because 0 plus 5 also 5. Or else 5 plus 0 also. Like that. Okay, you can write infinitely many solutions, but they asked only one solution. Second, 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. Your wish. If you want to take x is equal to 1, correspondingly 2 1 are 2, plus 2 minus 2, 10 minus 2, 8, minus 5y is equal to 8. So y is equal to minus 8 by 5. So 1 comma minus 8 by 5. Okay, one of our solution. Otherwise, if you want to take x becomes 0, if x equal 0, then y is equal to 10 by minus 5, minus 2. If y is 0, then 2x is equal to 10, x is equal to 5. Like that you can. Third one. X is equal to y. It is also one of the linear equation. If you take 2, 2, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 1, because both are same, no? And 3 comma 3, like that. And if you take fourth one, say for example, x minus y plus say 7 is equal to 0. Otherwise 9 is equal to 0. Okay, if you take x is equal to, say for example 1, then transpose y to right side, 1 plus 9 10, 1 comma 10. If you take x equal to 0, then y is equal to 9. If you take y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 9. Like that you can. If you want fifth one, say for example y is equal to 1 by 2x. Our wish. Your answer need not to coincide my examples. Okay, y is equal to 1 by 2x. So if I take multiples of 2, suppose x is equal to 2, 2 cancel, y is equal to 1. So 2 comma 1. If x is equal to 4, 2 cancelling for 2 times, y is equal to 2. If x is equal to c, 6 cancelling 2, 3 times 3 1 are 3, y is equal to 3. Like that. Okay children. So here x equal to 0, y also 0. So like that we can give any examples. Not actually they asked only one, but we consider 3 examples for all. Okay, like that you can consider any equations, any points which satisfies, because as every straight line is considering, okay, infinitely many points are there. So that's all for today's assignment children. Have a nice day and keep working. Thank you.